see your face. I heard your cry. Your tears I caught. Your cheeks I dried. I heard you in the spirit.
Yes.
I wasn't far. The struggle you had, it wasn't at all your fault. But listen, my daughter, I come today to breathe on you, to renew your faith. I came for you, to meet you here. Don't let the winds of adversity cause you to fear. I come to breathe on you, to renew you. I come to breathe on you, to restore you. Pick up your bed, my daughter, and walk. I'm with you in this. You're not alone. I come to breathe on you, to refresh you for the journey. I'm dressing you for the battle. Don't you give up. He just wants to say, I come to breathe on you, to restore you. I come to breathe on you, to renew you. I come to breathe on you, to refresh you.